Hello everyone, I'm Pukhraj and welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. Today's recipe is very amazing. It's super tasty, super soft and very smooth. I'm doing this recipe today because some of you requested for a vegetarian main course dish. So here it is for you guys. The name of the recipe is Paneer Masala and you will seriously feel that you are sitting in a restaurant eating this recipe. But before moving on to the recipe, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. So let's see what the ingredients are required for this recipe. We need 300 grams of cottage cheese or paneer cut into cubes, 2 medium tomatoes, 2 medium onions, 15 to 16 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger and 2 green chillies. We have to puree all these ingredients together. 1 small capsicum diced, 3/4 cup of cream, 1/4 cup clarified butter or ghee, 15 to 16 raisins, 15 to 16 cashews and 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek. In spices we require salt to taste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon caster sugar, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon Cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of Coriander powder. So we'll take a wok or a karahi and I have pureed the onions and tomatoes and I'll put this mixture into this karahi. And we'll just roast this till the water dries. So now water has dried and it's time to add Desi ghee to it. We'll add a 1/4 cup of Desi ghee. And we're gonna roast it again. We have to roast the masala very nicely, otherwise the paneer will not taste good. So now we can see that the masala has roasted properly. Look at the gorgeous dark brown color of the masala. And now it's time to add a 1/4 cup of water to it. Just give it a nice stir. And now we'll add capsicum. And we'll just roast it for a minute or so. Now it's time to add all the spices together. Just give them a good stir. The aroma is amazing. We'll again roast it for a minute or so. So you can see the masala has changed the color with the addition of spices. Look at the gorgeous color, and the oil or ghee has also started to separate. This is a good sign of a roasted masala, and as I always say, you can increase or decrease the quantity of spices as per your taste. And now it's time to add a 1/4 cup of water. Just give it a quick mix. And into it, we'll add cashews and raisins. Lastly, we're gonna add the paneer cubes and along with this we'll add cream. Just mix it nicely and gently so that the paneer does not break. paneer is mixed properly. Look at the thick and rich gravy, and in the end we'll add fenugreek. This gives a very lovely flavor to the paneer. Just give it a nice mix and we'll let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So now you can see that our paneer is cooked properly. Look at the gorgeous color, and the flavor is also very amazing, and the gravy is so thick and luscious. So it's ready to be plated. So our very delicious, yummy and tasty paneer masala is ready to eat. You enjoy it with a hot roti, naan or parantha, and do let me know how it turned out. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.